This is the last set of notes we are going to take in Unit 2.
Yes.
Notice how our CSA is on Thursday. Okay? We have a test on Thursday. Yes. Unit 1 was our order of operations and all that stuff. Okay? So here we go. I want you to look at number 1 on this page. The area of a rectangle is 63 square feet. Could you please circle area and 63?
39.
The area of this oh, dang it, I was going to ask you that question. The area of this rectangle is 63 square feet. Okay. Who can tell me how we find the area of a rectangle? Tatum. Okay, so the area of a rectangle is length times width. Do you agree with Tatum? Okay, so we know A area is 63, right? Okay. I don't know. It always is. Okay. All right, Lainey, which one is the width? 7 is the width. So I want you to write equals W right there by the 7. What is the L? Okay, let me tell you a story about the L. If I just write L, not in cursive, it's going to look like a 1. And I don't want it to look like a 1. So I wrote it as a cursive. You can write it as a capital if you need. Okay. Now the lengths down here. There's a 4 and there's an M. Mathematically, what do we need to know? What do we need to do with the 4 and the M to get the length? Thank you. We need to add 4 and M together to get that total length. So this piece is 4. This piece is M. So if I want my entire length, we got to add those two pieces together.
Do you have a regular pencil?
Or M.
No, I don't, because they've all been stolen.
Chat, let me use it. I'll show you.
No, 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 no. You don't have a pencil. This is what you get. Okay. Now, we know that the length is 4 plus M times our length is 7. Does that look right? 4 times M. 4 plus M times 7 with just a dot in between.
No.
What do we need?
What?
No. I
don't know. No, you need to find out the answer.
Agreed.
So you take 7.
Hold on. If this is the length and we're okay. You know what? Go ahead and write detentions up here. And I will start adding names of people who can't listen to directions by closing their mouth while I'm talking. Okay. If I'm multiplying length and width, my length is 4 plus M and my width is 7. What does 4 plus M need?
4.
You have to add
The 1.
It's all of it is being multiplied to 7. It needs parentheses. Okay. This is very true. So when I'm asking you, hey, what's the equation to solve for M? This is what I want you to write. I want you to write the 63 equals 4 plus M times 7. On the test, that would be a point. Can you write the equation? All right, so let's follow our steps. What's the first thing we do? We need to distribute. I'm going to draw my fence. I'm going to distribute. Okay, So on the right side, we have 7 times 4 plus 7 times m. Do we have any like terms to combine?
No.
Okay. Do we have variables on both sides?
Yeah.
No.
We don't. So we can go straight to steps 4 and 5. Okay. We need to first undo which number?
Addition. 28.
Okay, which is undoing the addition. So we're going to undo addition by subtracting 28. Yes, from both sides. Very good. All right, my calculator man, Kadam. What is 63 minus 28? 28 minus 28 cancels, and we have 7m. Okay. Cash, what's our last step? We have 35 equals 7m. Okay, we need to undo this multiplication by dividing by 7 to get m equals. Okay. Yeah, just a normal 5. So our solution is 5, but 5 what? Thank you.
Oh.
Make sure you put your label there. How did he know that it was 5 feet? So raise your hand. Cash. Yeah, it tells you m is in feet. Okay, very good. Okay, now the picture scared you a little bit. Was that scary of a problem? Kind of. Okay. This is what I want you to do. Circle number 2, because that's going to be a part of your homework. And we're going to move to number 3.
I don't even know what.
You don't know what? Do you have a question? You can't read it? Can you read it on your paper?
Can you read it on your paper?
Hey. Okay, please read through number 3. Just read through number 3 before I get going on it.
Number 3.
Let me feel this.
I need it. All right. The product of a number x and 15. Stop. Whose phone is that? So it either needs to be like kept in your hand or put away. It can't be a distraction. Okay. Okay, the product. I don't remember what product means. Multiplication. So we have the product of a x and 15. Aiden, stop. Okay. So I'm gonna write the product of x and 15. That means I'm multiplying x and 15. So 15 times x. Sound good? Is equal to. Oh, what does that mean? I get it right. Equal. Okay. 2 more than. Okay, so that means plus 2. The product of a number x and 4. So product means multiply. Okay. 2 more than means we need the plus 2. A product of 4 and x. Now, I'm going to write 4x plus 2 because when I say 2 more than, That's one of those turnaround phrases. I'm already sick. If you're gonna spray perfume, that's like really, really mean.
Who's spraying stuff?
I don't know. Somebody over there.
Bro, I swear, someone said
No,
he's
it's
spraying
not
nice.
water.
Oh, I smell it.
Okay, we're just gonna be quiet, okay?
Bro, what you mean? I can't smell anything.
It's a great tea.
Oh, yeah,
Stop talking. Two more than is one of those turnaround phrases where we have to write it second. Or if I say less than or subtracted from, those are those turnaround phrases where it has to come second. Do you have written what I have written?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna give you 60 seconds for you to try number 4. You can go ahead and just use a pen.
Wait, can I have it?
You could pay me $5 for writing this.
I didn't even break it.
You're trying to.
I'm trying to sharpen it because it's barely even writing.
You're not gonna sharpen it. That's gonna be my job. So you can use it to write, or you can find your own writing utensil.
I'll find my own one.
You have to write something down.
Oh, boy. Have it.
Well, I don't have a pencil.
All right. 1 less than 3 times the number x is equal to 12 more than negative 8 times a number x. Why did you give away your pencil? Here's my equal sign. Don't break it or you owe me $5.
Oh, yeah, I'll break it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It says 1 less than. What operation are we getting at here? Okay. And then 3 times the number, that's multiplication. Aiden, please get in here. So 1 less than 3 times the number x. This is one of those turnaround phrases. This needs to be 3x minus 1. I saw some of you have that backwards. If that was you, go ahead and fix it right now. This needs to be 3x minus 1. 1 less than 3x.
It's fine.
Okay, can you get to the right page? It's 39.
It's like 4, 2, yeah.
Okay. 12 more than. More than means what operation? Plus. Negative 8 times the number. So we have negative 8 times the number x plus 12. What I'd like you to do is circle 5 and 6. Circle 8, 9, and 10.
Wait. What do I circle?
5 and 6, 8, 9, and 10.
38.
We're on page 39.
I didn't know you were.
5 and 6.
Okay.
6 and
8, 9, 10. And we're gonna do number 7 together.
oh boy.
So everybody draw your pens. So this is a problem that we have once talked about how to solve, but it's been a couple weeks since we've done one like this, so we need to revisit it. Who can tell me how to undo that 4/5 in front of the X?
Oh, you flip them upside, you like flip.
Okay, she says flip him. What is that called?
The reciprocal.
The reciprocal. So technically 4/5 is being multiplied to X, which means we need to divide. Well, dividing by a fraction is ugly. So instead of dividing by the fraction, we are going to multiply by the reciprocal. Okay, so the reciprocal of 4/5 is what? So we are going to multiply both sides by 5/4. When we do that, these cancel. And we have 2/3 times 5/4. So we multiply our numerators. We multiply our denominators. Is that our final answer,
No,
Pat?
that's a simplify.
Of course not.
No.
Because these are both numbers that are divisible by 2. Which means our answer is 5/6.
Boom.
Good.
Now what do you have to do?
Can you wait until after this example because I see something for it. Okay, so far we have circled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 problems for homework. Go ahead and turn to the next page. You're gonna have a total of 8. We're gonna do one more together. We're gonna do this triangle one. And at first, I know it looks a little intimidating, but let's recall this piece of information. Tatum, I know you know this. 3 angles of a triangle, what do they add up to be? 180 degrees.
Who keeps spraying that, kids?
I don't know, but I'm having a hard time breathing. I know it's somebody over there at that table. I don't know who, but somebody needs to stop. I know. I know. Like, here's the deal. You guys already know that I can't have perfume in here. Scented lotion, whatever. I'm telling you right now, if you haven't figured it out, I am not feeling great. I have some chest congestion, which is going to heighten the reaction I have to the perfume in lotion or sprays. So don't do it. Otherwise, you might be having to call the nurse for me. So don't. And you have to learn this yourself. Thanks. No. Okay. Okay. So look right here. Angle 1 is X. Angle 2 is X plus 10. Angle 3 is X plus 5. What do the 3 angles add up to be? It says it right here. 180. I'll ask you to put those away. So I'm going to take angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. And I know that those 3 angles should add up to be 180. Okay, now we need to solve this equation. What's the, do we have anything to distribute?
No.
No, but do we have like terms to combine? You betcha we do. I'm going to put squares or boxes around my x terms, and I'm going to circle my constant terms. Over here on the left side, what's x plus x plus x? What's 10 plus 5? So I have 3x plus 15 equals 180. Okay, so we combine like terms. Now, we only have variables on the left side, which means we can go straight to steps 4 and 5. Undo addition, subtraction. So I'm going to subtract 15 from both sides. So we have 3x equals 180 minus 15. Thank you. Okay.
Why is it so?
Our last step, Austin, what's our last step? I have 3x equals 165. What's our last step? 165 divided by 3. Okay, so we have found that x is 55.
What? All those angles are 55.
No.
Oh my.
So here, look at here. So just hold on, everybody look up here. Angle 1 is x, right? So what's angle 1? 55 degrees. Well, x is 55, okay? Now, angle 2 is x plus 10. Well, if x is 55, then x plus 10 would be 65 degrees. Okay. It says angle 3 is x plus 5. And if x is 55, then x plus 5 would give us pretty obvious question.
Actually, guess what?
That's where we are right now. Okay.
Stop putting it on my paper, bro.
Okay, can you please circle example 5? Can you please circle example 6? I also want you to write that perimeter means you add all of the sides. So in example 6, it says something about perimeter. That means you say side plus side plus side plus side. Whereas like this example 5, we're adding angle plus angle plus angle together.
Wait, what did we get to the angle?
Angle only got 55.
Why did it go from here again? Well, you need to write it down.
Okay. So you have 8 problems for your homework. And you have about 8 minutes to get started. You can decide, do you want to do these 2 problems right here? Or do you want to go back to that page 39 and work on those? Do you want to maybe wait till I'm done talking to say something? What is your question? Get started.
Nothing to wait for.